I've been wanting this for so long.
Yeah.
That is delicious.
Describe it.
Okay, the sauce that they make there is like nice, balanced. It's not too tangy. It's also not too sweet. I just
It's not tangy at all. It's a little bit sweet, but it's not like overly sweet.
I love all the vegetables. I love
There's olive oil in there.
I love all those vegetables because
They roasted the eggplant in olive oil. You can tell.
yeah. Well, I like the textures of all the roasted vegetables. Honestly, me personally, I like the vegetable lasagna better than the meat lasagna. Texturally, there's a lot to there.
Velvety. I know what I'm eating all night. Delectable.
So good. All right.